Good morning. Welcome back. So it's fall, almost fall. It feels like fall. It is fall to me, at least. So the garden needs to change a little bit. I have 3 containers in my front garden that needs to change. The water is not functioning very well in those containers because the battery ran out in my automatic timer. So, oh wow. I'm excited to change it out. I enjoyed those containers a tiny bit this season. Wasn't my favorite, and I just couldn't wait to change it out. And so now that it's fall, I have an excuse to change it out. Okay, so I first didn't want to spend too much money. And I was going to go to my garden center. Yes, I love my garden center. So I went to the grocery store and bang, here comes these grasses, $8 for big grass like this. And at the garden center, when I was there last week, just this tiny skinny one was like $8. And I was going to buy that. But thank the Lord I did not. So I grabbed about 4 of these and we're going to use it in the front garden. These are purple fountain grass. They're perfect for fall. They're so lovely. And I just can't wait to see how it transforms, how it looks in those containers. I hope it's not too big because the root ball is about the size of the container, but we'll maneuver and make it work. Then we got cabbages. I always like these cabbages. These are ornamental cabbages. They could also be called kale. I don't know. Sometimes they're called cabbage, but either way, these are for the fall. So this plant won't last you all year, but if you leave it outside, it does like the cold and it might come back. It will last you at least until February to looking really good in your garden. So I love buying these around fall. Any ornamental kale or cabbage will last you throughout the winter. So this helps me with the winter blues. So I got the 3 crane one because it's more bang for your buck. They still continue to grow. They get taller and they get bigger. And let me drink some apple cider. I'm so ready for the season. Okay. These, well, they're mainly a summer annual. They are caladiums, but I couldn't pass these up. They are the perfect color for fall and they're hardy up until 30 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't think they will look as beautiful if it drops that low, but I will still use it until it's not beautiful anymore because it's still a little bit cold hardy. So this one was also on sale. Normally caladiums go for what, $20 a container? I got this for $7 and I just couldn't pass it up. It's so pretty. Look at the leaves, the ruffles. It just looks like Christmas. I might bring this in for Christmas. Who knows? Should I leave this outside for fall or bring it in for Christmas? You guys tell me. Maybe it should go in the house just to get ready for Christmas. Won't that be beautiful? At the base of some amaryllis bulbs with some hydrangeas tucked around, like hydrangea blooms. I can cut some hydrangea blooms. Some peppers, which I can't wait to use. This is a fall staple. If you can grab you some peppers. This was also a good deal. $4 at the grocery store. Most expensive thing was $8 for these grasses, but they are worth every penny. So I got, I don't know, 3 of these peppers. And then, ooh, this beauty here looks like a Rudbeckia. It is so gorgeous. It looks like a bumblebee in the middle. Let me show you. Look at this. Isn't that a pretty color? So velvety and purple. It just looks unreal. And the flowers, nice red and yellow. I just love it so much. So I got a flat of these as well. And this is a perennial. So this is going to last in my garden for years to come and it'll continue to get big. They are awesome for fall. So we're going to take these to the front garden. Let's go do this. my apple cider. Ooh, okay, let's get out of here. So these are the 3 containers that I would like to change into fall. These 2 here, along with its sister over there. I've already cleared out the plants that were in them. And we're going to use those plants again in the back garden because although I was sick and tired of them, they did lack water. And even though this is brown, there's still some new green ones popping out. So we'll give them a try in the back garden. I'm going to leave them as they came out of the container. I could still refurbish them. So that's what we'll do. This one I broke apart, and then I thought, why not just plant it as a whole bulb like that in the back garden? All of them are, you know, dressed up. I just need to add fertilizer. Put this guy in the front. Oh my God, you are beautiful already. So pretty. Okay, it's raining. It's raining. Let's go in. Oh, come on, come on.
What are your plants then?
Oh, I'll come back. I'll come back. Oh, Nevaeh, come on, get out of there. It's okay. We're coming back later. There's a big hole right here. Okay guys, look how it turned out. I love how the cabbage is fitting in the container there. Each container has 3 peppers and I just kind of put it around. And then the Rudbeckia, so pretty. And then this one here, oh my goodness, look at them. I need to change that. I will be changing that to a fall wreath. I just mimicked these 2 containers. They look exactly as that one over there. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Let me show you the back because these 2 have a back. That one doesn't because it's facing the wall of the garage. But we see the back of these 2 containers. The 3 cabbages. I just put one there, and one on the other side. And you can see the other container is mimicking it as well. So these are the flowers. This is what everything is looking like. So, so pretty. And we are ready for fall. Yes, sir. And down here, so that's those containers. So, oh, it's kind of leaning, isn't it? Always got to come in here and fix a little bit of something. It's leaning. Ooh. Okay, I don't think it's leaning anymore. Okay, much better. So when you come down, the last grass, I put it right here just to kind of, because it was empty here. I had like a little bald spot here since taking out one of my sedums. So I just popped one of the grasses down there just to kind of draw that interest down here. And since the coleus is also like that color, that same maroon color as the purple fountain grass, I just drew it all the way here just to kind of make it a cohesive look. And then I dotted around like the cabbages. So you see one there and then another cabbage there. So it's just kind of dotted around here. See the cabbage? And then another one tucked in right there. I am in love. I can't wait till I get my mums. And then it will be on and popping for fall. Well, we need squash and all of that first. But thank you guys for joining me. We are done. Come back for more fall because we need to deck out the stairs. We need to change the wreath, add some mums. Ooh, I just can't wait. All right. See you guys next time. Enjoy the rest of your week.